Hi, I'm Ryan with Data Crunch, and I wanted to make you a quick video showcasing you some work on how we translate data and predictive models into software and applications that people can use, interact with, and ultimately make business decisions way faster. Okay, so I've got a few here I'll just roll through real quick. Right, so here's one that we built for a painting franchise. So we can see, for their estimators, their sales team, how well are they doing year to date? How many estimates have they done? What have they closed year to date? What's the total dollars value worth of estimates that they have estimated versus what's been closed? What's their win rate, their average job size? You can see how they're tracking on their commissions this year versus prior years. We can filter to different people and see some are on track, some are below where they were previously, right? So we can see some things like this. We can start to run a projection of where their commissions will be in coming weeks. Okay. Then as we look in at improving close rates here, we can go back here. We can run some filters. We can see how many jobs they've had in each job bucket and how much they're going to close. We can see breakdowns on that information. We can then drill in and see where are they at on the map, so we can get more details about them. We want to just see different kinds of filters we can apply. There's different kinds of ways we can slice and dice on job profitability. We can say what's above target, what's below, where are you at versus thresholds, right? Then we can see specific customers, information about those, what was the profit margin on those. And this is wiring up data from a lot of different systems. We've got QuickBooks in here, we've got a CRM and an estimating system in there. There's stuff coming in from Google Calendar to bring all this together, right? Then we can see sort of what should your breakdown, your cost breakdown be, and then you can compare how did my job costs break down versus what it should be, what the ranges are, so you can see where you're off. So those are all examples. There's many things that this does. For example, we can run a schedule to say, okay, how do I schedule all of my jobs this week and all my crews? Different jobs, different lengths, different complexities, different levels of skill required to do different kinds of jobs. You can bring it in, set your crews, run the schedule, and it figures it out for you. Okay, here's one from an education point of view. You can see classes that are being run, the session, who the teacher was, right? Who had the highest engagement. We can predict engagement of students over time. We can see who's connecting and who's logging into class versus not. And again, a whole bunch of different analytics that we can run around things. Take a particular session and let's say engagement and do the breakdown per student live while a teacher is teaching. Okay, from a student point of view, this is in a higher education focus. We can look at their schedule and we could then have it optimize their schedule to help them best fit their needs and their course load. So it will make adjustments for you like this, right? So all these kinds of algorithms, optimizations under the hood to build models that people can just interact with, and it tells them what to do. Here's your schedule. Here's your forecast. Here's what you need to do. Put your budget in this marketing channel versus that channel. Here's how to optimize the budget, right? These sorts of things. Here's one that we built internally to kind of track stuff. So I can see revenue each month or profit each month versus a target. How much is billable? Our metrics for the billing period, hours, revenues, revenue per customer, profit, margins. Anybody that's I need to look. How are we doing versus prior periods? I can see projects that we for whatever reason have gone unprofitable. The ones that are right and on. I can see profit per project, per employee, the margins. Right. If I want to see this at an employee level, I could toggle this and I can see. And we can see these charts update. So I can see at a very granular level who is winning work, who's doing the right things, where do I need to make little fine tune and adjustments. Okay, so these are all things that we can do, right? So a lot of different ways of slicing data, building algorithms, building nice interfaces that people can use to just immediately get insight. That's what we can help you do. We can do it quickly. We can make it look professional. We can ingest the data, we can build the models, and we can get it done quickly for you so that you can get to making decisions. Or if this is client facing, we can help you build something that will look great for your clients as well. So again, my name is Ryan. I own a small company called DataCrunch, and I would love to talk to you about your project and learn more about what it is you want to do. And I could at least provide you some perspective at the very least, just another point of view. So have a great day. Hope to talk soon. Thanks. Bye.